Hello, my name is Huiru Wang, and I'll present analysis of Suzuki and Subaru. Suzuki has lower sales revenue than Subaru, but has a sales volume 3 times of Subaru. It means that Suzuki has thin margins and huge volume. IMF and the World Bank both have positive saying about Japanese economy. Demand for cars is forecasted to grow in line with the growing economy in the near future. Subaru and Suzuki are both eligible to invest in, considering a promising market, and that these are two pretty good brands with solid reputation. From now, I'll be using HOLT method to give you more details. We use FROI rather than FROE because this is a car making industry, not a servicing company. In the relative wealth chart, both are facing fade right now. The black line of Suzuki is steeper, so the future FROI of Suzuki will drop with a higher speed. Now we dig deeper into the driver of FROI, which is the asset growth. The volatility of Suzuki is higher. It means that the future FROI will back to mean reversion more quickly. The asset growth rate and the cash available for reinvestment are both dropping, shows that the manager of Subaru is working to improve the shareholders' benefit. However, the mid-panel for Suzuki gives an unclear sign. Two indicators are both climbing and then dropping, which shows a confused pattern, and we are not sure whether the manager of Suzuki want to work on shareholders' benefit. Now we move to the scored percentile figure. Although the overall percentile of Suzuki is better, when speaking of investment, valuation takes much more weight, and it's clear that the valuation score of Subaru is perfect, almost to the full score. The price tracking chart shows that deviation is higher, so there is some risk in buying Subaru because there is a possibility that the actual price is different from the warranted price with a deviation of 15%. However, with a promising forecasted FROI and a perfect valuation score, I believe that the difference is more likely to be positive. The 1% deviation shows that Suzuki is a good choice for investors who prefer very little risk. In conclusion, Subaru is a perfect choice for investors who bear more risk, and Suzuki is more suitable for those investors who prefer very little risk.